Good morning mga kaibigan. May lalaking ganun, di ba? Yung nagsasabi sa umaga, good morning. Sino yun? Morning. Trash? Sorry naman anak. Babe, inuutusan ako itapo ko doon sa tamang basura.
That's right. Where's the trash can?
There.
How about you? Can you stretch? Drinking milk. Little baby's drinking milk. Put it in Coach's basket. Put it in Coach's basket. Hurry.
Thank you. Iba talaga yung backhand, tinan mo. Pag yan nag-backhand, maganda talaga. Oh, follow through.
Daddy,
Angat.
look at me.
Yes.
I will walk over there and then
Not too close to mommy. Go to the edge. Touch the blue wall. Don't go near mommy. Tatigas ng ulo eh. Tinan mo yun. Gusto lang yung dumikit sa mama niya. Diba? Ayun, no? Ay, nako. Tigas ulo. I know. I saw you.
Hi. It's our first day back. Well, my first day back at tennis since getting pregnant. Grabe. Kakapagod. Kaka-frustrate kasi parang feeling ko all my progress before getting pregnant. Zero na siya ulit. But it feels so good to sweat like this again. Ball girl! Hurry up! Hurry up, ball girl! Go, babe!
Oh, babe.
Oh, no! Can I help you? Come on, we're gonna play na. You might get hit by the ball.
Well, balik namin ng bahay. Grabe, sobrang nilakad lang kasi namin kanina papuntang tennis court. Tapos nung pabalik na kami, dami namin dala. Grabe yung putok ng araw. Sobrang init. Si mami nahilo. Ito naman sobrang tuwan-tuwa. Kasi nakakita siya ng mga trees. Kesa sa ceiling fan lang, no? Yeah. Yeah. Last night you were talking with your mommy na and we're laughing. Why not with me? Yes. 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 Ako na muna magluluto. Buti na lang may na-defrost na si mami na tapa. Kaya nang bala. Kaya na natin yan. Anyway, ganun din naman si Avan. So rin, magsimula na tayo. Gamit ako ng maliit na pan. Some oil, bye-bye. Bango! Isa talaga pasta na ganito. Ang bango-bango. Oh my goodness! Okay lang yan, first batch yan. Oh, first batch yan, first batch. Huwag tayo mag-judge. Oh! Oh my God! Are you okay? Did you hurt yourself? Okay. Meron pa pala tayong mga sausawan. Ito yung mga pinakurat, suka. Look at all that protein. Kasi hindi na ako nag-rice lately. I don't know why. Alam ko naman, basta ano lang, peace of mind na alam mo kumukondisyon. But yeah, eggs, rice, and protein. Let's go. Up. Time to eat. Come on. That much.
This much before
Can you give me your date back? Like it? That's daddy's cook.
It's dirty.
Hi, baby. How are you, lovey? Well, we just ate lunch. Galing nan sa tennis. Sarap, nakakamiss mag-tennis, guys. Oh, lead.
You know who loves having her ears cleaned?
Oh,
Ate Ava.
Ate Ava loves to... Really? Stretch the feet. But the other one? Yummy. Yummy.
I'm done.
Look at that, 2
Daddy,
months.
I was done.
Done na? Can I see? Where's the earbuds? Whoa, that's a lot. Look at this, 2 months. Look at that head, oh. Oh, balancing. Oh, so strong, that little girl. Like her ate. What does it taste like? Milk? Steady na talaga siya. Ready na. Yeah. 2 months. 2 months. You ready?
Yes, sir.
You ready, mommy?
Want to be ready?
Okay. Let's go. We're gonna go somewhere funna.
Fana?
Funna. Dadalhin tayo ni Alan sa mga since ang dami nating mga viewers na mga Batanggenyo naka-appreciate ng mga ginawa natin sa Batangas dati. Ngayon pupuntahan natin ang kanyang isa sa mga secret place dito. Excited ako. Yes, Lovey?
Those people can see our car.
Yeah. Why? Because they have eyes.
Hi.
They can see us.
So yeah, we're back here in Batangas again. On our anniversary. We actually didn't realize that it was our anniversary today. We only realized it when we were here na yesterday. So yeah, that's how we're gonna celebrate.
Dito mo makikita kung gaano kaganda na ang Batangas. Na masyado nating hindi napapansin. Lagi natin naiisip syempre yung mga sa mga north, like let's say Baguio, La Union. But the people from the south, alam niyo naman what I'm talking about. Cavite, Laguna, Tagaytay area, Batangas, Lipa is beautiful. Tingnan natin kung saan tayo pupunta.
So it's so nice because the past few weeks that we were here, Daddy Jojo, Vince's dad, has been like sharing his beginnings here in Batangas.
Yeah.
How he
Paano siya sumugal?
how he was able to build his business here, and he's also sharing like how much he loves it here. He really loves it here. So last week we didn't get to show it on the vlog, but when we went to the Turo Turo, he was showing us around Batangas. So you can really tell with the way he speaks, like, "Nak, maganda dito."
May punto yun, ah.
Yeah, that he really loves his place, loves this place. So we also want to discover it, and we want Ava also to see how beautiful it is out here.
Nalalapit din siya sa mga tito niya dito tsaka sa kanyang Daddy Jojo eh.
And also, the reason why we've been coming here is because wala at home kasi she's always cooped up we're always just inside our house. We don't really have a lot of outdoor space. We have a little bit, but not so much. When she's here, walang iPad, walang electronics. She actually doesn't even have toys here, but she always says na she loves it here in Daddy Jojo's house, or even in Batangas in my mom's beach house. She always likes going out of town, di ba?
Para tayo nagre-retreat eh.
Yeah.
Or nagdi-detox siya from screen time.
Because really, like, province life is really so much different from Manila life, and wala, ang sarap lang kasi it's so laid back. You really get to appreciate nature, and for some reason whenever we're out in nature, no, we always feel so much better and we feel so recharged, and then parang we're inspired again to work when we get home, no? Well, we get tired first and then we get inspired to work, so it's nice.
Saka kita mo bro, dito sa Batangas, ang dami ng mga bypass roads. Magiging accessible na talaga lahat.
It's actually really easy to come here because it only takes about an hour and 30 minutes, I think, from
Manila.
our place, and our place is kind of far in Manila,
Quezon City.
Quezon City. So, yeah. Yan lang.
So, diba?
Ay, nasabihin pa pala si Kuya.
Wala na, okay na. Gusto mo na putol. Wala na. Ayaw mo na ako magsalita.
Sorry. You were talking na kasi. Look at the view.
Nasa 1 minute pa lang tayo from, 1 minute, 2 minutes leaving Daddy's home. Pero ganito na yung daan. Let's see. Secret daw ni Alan. This is a secret hideout. Ang dami niyang mga hideouts usually. Ang trip nitong batang to, alam mo yung mga
Nature.
yung mga yung mga kabataan ngayon. Yung mga nature trip sila. Punta sila sa ganito. Doon sila magdadala lang sila ng upuan, chill. Mga era nila.
What is that?
It's a river, love. Yeah.
So the first time we passed by here, Apple was like, "What is that? Is it dangerous?" Remember? Is it dangerous?
Maybe yes.
Maybe yes, she said.
Mommy,
Yeah?
my bunnies are twins.
Your bunnies are twins? Yeah, they are.
Ano ka nga palang pangalan ng bunnies niya?
I forgot. What's the name of your bunny, babe?
This is Coco and this is Cat.
Iba na
Coco
naman.
and Candy.
Iba na naman.
Mommy, I changed.
I thought it's Rose.
She changed their names, Daddy. Okay. It's your bunnies.
This is Cathy and this is Coco.
Okay.
Coco. Okay. That's a nice name naman.
Look at that coat.
It's not a goat, it's a cow. It's a cow, baby.
Baka yun, anak.
Mommy,
Yes, baby.
I'm starting to be a grown-up now.
No, you're still a kid.
Big kid.
You're a big kid. I don't want you to be a grown-up yet, baby. Because you're my baby.
Why?
Because I love you.
Why?
Because you're my love.
Why?
Because you came from mommy's tummy.
Why?
Because, are you gonna ask why all the time?
Yes.
Okay.
Mommy, are we here?
Yeah.
It's gonna be fun.
What did you
It's
say?
gonna be funny.
I-tour mo naman kami. Saan ang city
Oh my
lights?
God.
Ate, dito na tayo sa bundok.
I got dog
Okay.
food.
Yes. Meron tayong mga tour guide eh. Tsaka kita mo prepared na ka. Ano yan yung wind ano? Basta?
Breaker.
Windbreaker.
Kapal ako dito, man.
Tambay ka dito.
Ito yung favorite spot.
Oh my God. Favorite spot. Oh! Oy! Teka lang. A whole new world!
Sarap dito, bro.
Solid dito, bro.
Lagi ako nandito, lapit lang, di ba?
I'm cold.
Stand up here. Yes! Oh yes!
Wala ka na. Wala.
Ating na mga alas 3 po yung ulap. Nasabi na. Ulap? Oo, yan. Sasampan na.
What? So windy! One, two, yeah. Wait. Whoa!
You want chips? Snacks?
Okay. Oh, tatlo?
Siya ba? Share
Titigil na lang. Baka din niya maubos.
Tatlo ko. Ay lang.
Oo, mainit.
There's more here.
I don't know what this is, Mommy.
May pasit ka doon, pwede naman ito.
Oh, pwede. Patsit ka doon. Lutuin nila yan.
O ito.
Ito, cup noodles.
Mangga.
Gasolina. Ano ko doon sa sasakyan? Higupin mo ano.
Meron tayong Milo. Siya mga cup noodles. Champion.
Wala na.
Yung sombrero. Oo yan.
You tell Kuya you're gonna buy the hat. There,
There's Kuya inside.
Help.
You're gonna buy it.
Kuya, you'll buy the hat. Say, Kuya, I will buy the hat.
Tito Allen paid for it, oh. What do you say to Tito Allen? Ayun, say thank you.
Best friend.
Say thank you.
You're
Thank you. Ay, Tito Allen paid for your ano.
Sino lang kayong kape?
They're hungry.
Why are they do they want the chips?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's so hungry.
Cracklings.
Oo, masarap niya ata.
So hungry.
Thanks for sharing.
Mommy, is it nice?
Is that the one you like or you want others?
I like this one.
You like the pink one? Okay.
Is it nice?
It's nice.
Daddy is nice.
You love your hat?
Yes. In my hand.
Hold mommy's hand. Come on.
Mommy,
Sarap ng hangin. Para tayong nasa ano eh. Nasa Switzerland. Nasaan ako? Nasaan ako? Sa probinsya, like sa La Union, di ba? Nagsistay tayo doon. Tapos, a few minutes away, you have the beach. A few minutes away, you have view. Doon sa Batangas din na to. A few minutes away, you have a few minutes away, pwede si Allen magpunta ng kung saan siya nagja-jogging nun, makasama niya sila Alas and Axel.
Mommy, wait. Is it the day of the bathroom?
No, bad sun. That's a beautiful sun. Yeah, is it awi in the skin? No, right?
Yeah.